when his father gave him a job at his general store, where all kinds of different goods were sold. But in this shop, prices were negotiable, and people often traded in products they already had rather than paying in cash. And this meant some customers tried to cheat their way into a bargain by packing stones into wheat bags to make them seem heavier, or just tricking Phineas into lowering his prices. So in the general store, Phineas quickly learned the art of persuasion. And by the time he was 12, he was a clever salesman who saw every situation as an opportunity to negotiate. Phineas continued honing his skills at the general store through his teenage years, but in 1826, his father tragically passed away. Now, Phineas's father had tried his luck in many different businesses. Aside from the general store, he tried tailoring, farming, running stables, a tavern, and even operating a delivery wagon. However, none of these ventures were ever very profitable, so when he passed away, the Barnum family was left drowning in debts, and Phineas had to take a job at another nearby store. This time though, the store wasn't paying him much, so Phineas had to get creative in order to make some money for himself and his struggling family. And thus, Phineas decided to host a lottery at the new store, and he promoted it heavily to make sure it was successful. He said, without promotion, something terrible happens. Nothing.